Welcome back. I don't usually do face-to-face stuff. Today, my boy Josh and he's gonna throw on something that I've been trying to find for quite some time now. Fortunately, I live in a small place. I can't keep things around. So I usually throw away OEM parts for cars, like I did with my Speed 3. I did it with my EVO that I have right now. And I shouldn't have done that because this has been a pain in the balls to try to get, and people want good money for OEM exhaust parts. I got this through Facebook Marketplace. This is what I need, a cat. Hopefully this will fix my problems with the service engine soon light. Right now I'm running with some unknown high flow cat right now. I'm happy that my friend grabbed that cat for me because he was putting back an EVO to stock at his old place of work, and he grabbed that cat for me, the high flow, and I never had a problem with my old motor, but now since I got a brand new motor, it's throwing the code. So I went online. It took me some time to find this. I just needed this part. The whole exhaust system usually goes for 600 bucks, plus you gotta pay shipping and handling. I found these on eBay, these cats, the OEM ones. Found one for 800 bucks. So they go for quite a bit. I actually paid 150 plus shipping and handling. So it's not a bad deal actually, just for this piece alone. So hopefully today this will actually work. It is Sunday, September 11th. New England Patriots play today, so I want to get this done and over with. Even though I'm a Boston fan, I'm sure they're going to have a shitty season. So without further ado, I'll put this down, let's hop in the car, and go to my friend's house. Alright, I'm finally getting the catted pipe on. It's been 3 weeks, so the video is going to be off a little bit. I had to buy some parts off of STM Tuned, which came to me while I was on vacationing in California, because my sister was having her wedding out there last week. So the parts came in because I needed some parts for the OEM catted pipe that I bought off someone off Facebook Marketplace for like 150, 160 bucks. So I'm having Josh install that right now. These are the parts that I bought. Also that to plug the hole. Links will be in the description below as always. If anybody wants the high flow cat that Josh is taking off, let me know. I'll sell it to you. So hopefully this gets rid of my service engine soon light. The first video I took was me sitting at my kitchen table. It was the first full football. This is when football season started, and unfortunately something came up, so we couldn't do it that day. And then the next week I had to fly out. So this weekend we're doing it finally. So hopefully this takes care of my service engine soon light, which has been a pain in the balls left and right. I could have always put electrical tape over the dashboard, but I don't want to do that. So it took me a while to find a catted pipe. eBay wants like 800 bucks, like I said earlier, and Facebook Marketplace, people were selling like the whole exhaust for 600, and they won't part certain things out. But luckily enough, I got this from New Jersey, and hopefully this works. I'm praying, because if it doesn't, then I have no idea what else to do. Just run with the light and then save my money to get myself an actual tune for the car, because the car hasn't been tuned yet, and that's pricey. That's like $1,000 plus. Going to this guy in Canton, Connecticut, called RRT. I heard nothing but great things about him. He does all EVOs, whatnot. You go to his shop, it's usually EVO 8s and 9s that are there getting serviced with parts being installed or getting tuned or what have you. So we'll go from there, and hopefully this works. Yeah. I deleted the code, so hopefully this works. How many miles do I have to drive till it comes on again?
Like 20, right?
20 miles then? Yeah.
But then 40, it'll start looking.
40 miles and start looking for it?
Yeah, that's when all the monitors usually are all done, looking at each other. 40.
All right, I figured to record this once I go back to my condo. Josh and I, we took the car for a rip, went around the town, and luckily enough, no lights so far. So far, so good. So I'm in my car right now. Just came out to do the final video and stuff like that to let you know that everything's copacetic, things working out fine, which is great. I just don't understand why the high flow cat that has a cat inside did not work, but the OEM cat works perfectly fine. So I'm kind of confused as to why, but if anybody knows, just let me know. You don't have to flame me and tell me I shouldn't be driving this car if you don't know what you're doing, blah, blah, blah. You know, I will be completely honest with you. I'm not familiar with EVOs in the platform. I'm used to Speed 3s that I came from. So, yeah, it's just kind of weird that the OEM cat is working out, man. So I'm going to leave the video like this. Like if you like, dislike if you dislike, and I'll catch you later. And all the links will be down in the description below as to where I got the parts. So I'll be in touch.